Starting with quality control, we ensure all circuit boards undergo rigid testing to ascertain functionality and reliability. Utilizing state-of-the-art machinery, we precision place minor resistors on the meticulously designed board layout. Once all resistors are in place, next is the soldering process followed by thorough cleaning to remove any excess flux residues. Notably, at every stage, there's a stringent inspection by our highly trained technicians to spot any defects. Any detected flaws result in the unit being directed to our repair bench, where technicians vigilantly debug, mend, and retest the fixed boards. Only with a pass in the final inspection does the board deemed ready for use. This process epitomizes our dedication to delivering superior and reliable electric fireplace control boards. Impressive Flame, a Chinese fireplace manufacturer, offers products like electric, bioethanol, and gas fireplaces, along with mantles and accessories. All products comply with international standards. We provide customized services, including OEM and ODM, and have our own design capabilities. Our efficient manufacturing process ensures quick and reliable delivery by sea or air freight. Interested? Leave a comment or visit our website. We respond within 12 hours, ensuring your information remains confidential.